Hey guys, welcome back to the Tech Stack Hub. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to earn real money online using hosting and referral program if you are a beginner. And the best part, you don't need to be investment to get started. You can see in my screen, I am logged in my Hostinger panel and just you can click on referral and earn up to 230. So come here and you will see a referral link you can see in here. Just copy it and send it to somebody whatever you wants to join. Then you can click on my earning and you can see that the referral program commission payout option. Here you can see currently my balance is 38. Let's reload. Some people think that I have inspect and changes my money. You can see this is still 38 and this is not edited. And congrats, there is the payment method option. One, you can send wire transfer, and another you can use this money in Hostinger. But payout to Hostinger balance cannot be withdrawn. They used to pay Hostinger services. You can change the Hostinger balance. You can, if you see the added payment method, there is three method. Hostinger balance. For Hostinger balance, you need $30 to in your account, and second one, PayPal need to $50 to pay out, and wire transfer is taking $200. Let's talk about more. What is Hostinger referral program? So basically, Hostinger give you a commission when someone sign up using your referral link. Everyone, every time someone buy hosting through your link, you will earn money, and it's simple. When I started looking for online income, I found millions of sites. There is millions of scam sites and thousands of legit sites. They are legit. So I know how many system, how many method, how many scam styles are in internet. Then I found a thousands of legit sites. I am using for daily mini income source. So this site is very simple, referring a service to the people you need web hosting. And just how to get it started, create your account in Hostinger, you will get a free account. Then go to affiliate or referral section. You will see this page. Just go to referral and earn up to 230. You can see this income is will be more. Currently, I am receiving 20% and I am earning 20% per referral. You may get it 40, 60% up to. You can earn commission depending on your plan people buy. For example, someone buy a hosting plan, you get a percentage of the sale. The more people you refer, the more will you earn. How you can promote? You can using YouTube videos, Facebook groups, blogging, SEO website, TikTok, short video helping people build website. Pro tip, don't just spam links, provide values. You can make video like how to create a website in 10 minutes, basic hosting for beginners, how to start a blog in 2026, and your referral link in the description. Really strategy, instead of saying buy hosting, teach people something useful. For example, create your business website step by step. Then naturally recommend hosting. This convert much better. Many people are earning hundreds of thousands of dollars using this method. Consistency is the key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to get started. If you need help, comment below. I will guide you. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.